Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the subject is operating system. This subtopic is paging in operating system. This subtopic is taken by final year MPCS 5th semester students. So first of all we discuss the previous class. Already we discussed by the memory management system and the what is memory management system and the what is the use of memory management system and advantages, disadvantages. So the memory management system is the functionality of an operating system which handles or the manages the primary memory and the moves process back and forth between main memory and disk during execution. It keeps track of each and every memory location and regardless of either it is allocated to some process or it is free, and it checks how much memory is to be allocated to process. It decides which process will be get memory at what time, and it tracks to whenever memory gets and the free and correspondingly it updates the status. This is called memory management system. So today we discussed by the paging. So what is page? What is paging? So paging is a memory management technique. This is one of the technique. Memory is a storage location of the central processing unit, and the paging is a memory and the management. It is a small technique in which process address space is broken into the blocks. So the memory is the memory address space is the broken into and blocks the same size called pages. So the memory is the divided into the different types parts. The parts is called pages. So it is very important of the central processing unit. It is divided by the memory allocations. That is the internal memory and the external memory. So the external memory, the user defined. So automatically in this process, internal the operating system divided by the pages, just like it is a pieces. So each piece called by pages. That is called paging system. So and the size of the process is measured in the number of pages. So each piece is each broken into the blocks. The each block is called the number of pages, and the main memory is divided into the small fixed size blocks. So of physical memory called frames. So that is a small fixed size blocks. So the blocks, all blocks are called, it is a physical memory, and the frames, that is the each the physical memory is called frames. In these frames the pages are, it is located by the size, each fixed size, and arranged by the sequence order. So the order is called, that is the information of page, and page is called, total pages is called frame. In this frame total the pages adjusted by the fixed size blocks, and the physical memory is called so frame, and every address generated by the central processing unit divided into two parts. So what are they? So they are the, here see the uh, small examples are there. The paging example. So 0, so paging 0 and 0, it is a 1 2 3. These are the different types of 4 pages. This is called logical memory. So in this the each every gap, it is a broken into, it is broken into blocks. So 0 1 is the one block, and the 0 2 is the second block, and the third block 0 1 is one of the block. These blocks are called logical memory. And the page table. So the page table, the table, in this table all the pages adjusted by the table is called, that is called page table. So here 0 1 2 3 and 0 1 2 3 1 3 4 7, it is a page table. And the frame number, here the frame number is page 0, and the page 2, page 1, page 3. So this is called the logical memory of the 0 to 3, and the adjusted by the physical memory. So these are the two types of memory. This is the frame memory. In this frame memory, in Here see the right side table. In this frame memory, small fixed size blocks physical, this is called small fixed size pages is called physical memory. Here 0 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, these are adjusted by the addresses. So the total the memory is the divided into the physical memory, it is called physical memory. And here is in this page we see the paging example. The logical memory is the 0 to 3 and the page table is the 0 to 7. It is so we take the 0 1 2 3 and the 1 4 and 3 7. So it is adjusted by in the table. So this is called paging example. And paging one another example is there. So here this is the central processing unit. CPU means central processing unit, and the logical address here physical address. So the paging table, in this paging table adjusted by the total pages and the physical memory. So in this physical memory, so it is a fixed the pages in the size of same size, this is called physical memory. And the physical address, this is called logical address. So and the page table. So we information sent to the central processing unit the page table, and the page table is the sent to the, it is the logical address and the physical address is the, both are different types of the pages. And in this adjusted by the physical address. Here see the operating system and the virtual memory. So in this table the programs are executed by 1 2 3 4. So the what is a program? Program is the set of instructions we send the information to the computer. So the computer executed the program time, and the time is based by central processing unit. And program A, program B, swap out and the swap in. Here see the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the 23 total, it is a pages, number of pages. So operating system virtual memory, the main memory is the, it is divided into the number of pages. So here see the main memory and the virtual memory, swap out and swap in. So here the information, the pages is transferred to the uh, transferred to the table 2. And virtual memory physical memory, it is transferred to swapping, means it is interface between the change the one side to another side and another side to this side. So this is called program A and program B. The program A is the completion of the execution. So waiting for some time, the program A is the completed, the second the program B executed after completion of the A program. The second program will be executed after some time. So it takes some time. And this is called sequence order, one by one program executed after second program executed, and third program fourth program also executed by the one by one. So this is called swapping information. So this is a virtual memory. And the next is the page table is registered. So what is page table? So in this, a page table base register, PTBR, shortcutly we call the PT, and the BR is the page table, and the base register holds the base of address. And for the page table of the current process, it is a process, and the register that is and the managed by the operating system. And the process that the supports virtual memory must have a page table and the base on the register. So the accessibility is called operating system. So the page table based on register. So the table is the register PTBR holds the base of address. So address of the page, the which page and the memory occupied by that is verified by the address is called the page table. And that is called page table. And in this page table of current process, and it is the process registers that it is the managed by the operating system, that is the total operating system, it is divided by in the operating system. And the translation took aside, and the buffer and the acid of the unique queue, the translation look aside and the buffer TLB is a memory cache, and that is used to and the reduce the time taken by the access of the user memory location. So the transaction look aside buffer, this is the advantages of this is reduced the execution time. The time is the reduced time. So it is taken by the advantages of access to user memory location, and the TLB stores the recent translations of the virtual memory, the physical memory, and can be called the address translation cache. And the sum of TLB, this shortcutly called, we call the translation look aside and the buffer. So the TLBs and the stored address space identifiers and ASIDs in the each TLB entry. So next one is the address space identifiers. So this is shortcutly we call the ASIDs. So address space and the identifiers, and the ASID uniquely and the identifiers each process, and is the used to the provide the address for the space protection for the process. And the next one is the page table length registers. So what is page level register? This is shortcutly we call the PTLR. So page table is the length register, is the indicates the size of the page table. So the total pages stored the memory in the sequence order. The pages total stored in the one place, that is called table. In this table, the size is indicated. It checks the assign the every logical addresses, and verified the address is the valid range for the process, and the failure of the test causes and the error trap to the operating system. So first of all, we discussed the previous classes. The operating system is it is interface between the system and user. Without operating system, we cannot run the computers. So first of all, the operating system is the main. These are the activities of the total paging. The we divided into the pages. The memory is the divided into the pieces. So the pieces is the called page, and total pages arranged by the one place, that is called table page. So table page is arranged by the total information. And the protection, next one is the protection. So what is the protection? The memory protection is the page the environment is the accomplished by the protection, and the bits associated with each frame, and these bits are kept in the page table. So one bit can define a and the page 2, and the read write or the read only. The protection is, and the bits can be checked to and verify that no writes are and the being made to read and the only page. The protection, so memory is the protection is the page environment is the accomplished the protection bits associated with each frame. So the frame is the main important, and these bits are kept in the page table. So one bit can be defined a page to be read and the write or read only. The protection bits and they can be checked to verify that no and the writes or the being made to read only page. So an accept to write to the read only page causes the hardware traps to the and the operating system. What is hardware? That is the physical component of the computers. Just we went to the lab, we see the input devices and output devices, central processing unit devices, the keyboard and the mouse, the output devices, monitor, printer, and the CPU devices are there. The motherboard and the processor and the hard disk and the RAM. So SMPC and the buses, total information send the system to uh, monitor output devices. These are devices are called by the hardware system, enter hardware system, and this provide the only read and write and they execute the only protection. So shared pages. Next one is this sharing is the another design, and for the paging system it is the very common for and the many computers users to be running the same program at the same time in a large and the multi-programming computers with the shared memory. This is the shared pages. So in this the information will be shared the physical the paging system in the very common for the computer users. Just like we take the one example, the server and the clients. The one server is there and number of clients are there. In this server we send the information to the clients, that is called the share the information. So the pages are the paging table are and send the information to one central processing unit to, and another one the different types of the systems are there. In these systems the clients received the data from the main processor, and the main information sent to the server to the clients, client 1, client 2. This number of 10 clients are there. and receive the information from the, this is the share and the pages, the information shared by the, so another client, so this is called shared pages. So we briefly discussed these topics. So paging, so a different approach and the addresses all of the issues provide uh, provide and the previous topics and introduce new issue of the its own. So here see the memory management and just a review, we see the review in this, what is memory management. Memory management unit and the set of registers and the mechanisms to translate the virtual addresses to the physical addresses. So actually computer cannot understand the English language, it can understand the only bit bytes language. So one bit is called 0 or 1, one byte is called 8 bits, and the megabytes, terabytes. So this is the bytes we call the information. The we send the one letter, one digit A. It print the on the output. We press the button on the keyboard. The number of A. We press the button and the output will be displayed on the screen. But internally it's changed. The some code number is there. The 62, 64. The number is changed. The A information and print on the monitor and the printer, and the process and the central processing unit see the virtual addresses, and the virtual addresses and the space is the same for the all processes, usually zero based here, and the virtual spaces are the protected from other process, and the MMU and the devices see physical addresses here, CPU central processing unit and the logical addresses, MMU main memory unit. So already the central processing unit and the main memory unit in this just like we call the ALU arithmetic logic unit. Here the arithmetic logic unit, the user can send the information, first data will be transferred into the ALU arithmetic logic unit. Here the ALU, just we take the one example. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, the C is equal to A plus B, the C answer is the 15. In the display on the screen, the ALU arithmetic logic unit automatically change the give the plus 2 the information, and the after the data will be transferred into the main memory here, and the primary and the secondary both memories are available. Primary is the RAM and ROM, secondary is the read only memory. The secondary is the so the secondary storage is the just like hard disk and the pen drive, compact disk and the floppy drive. These are the secondary storage devices, and the memory is the storage area. So and here the MMU is the logical address and the physical address input output devices. Here we send the information, both memory types, the logical address and the physical address memory input output devices. So the virtual spaces are the protected from the other processes, and the MMU main memory units and the devices see the physical addresses. In this chart we just like see the central processing unit and the main memory unit, and it was divided into two types. What are the memory and the input output devices? So the MMU is the logical address, and it is the change the input output is the it is the physical addresses. So this is the logical and physical automatically changed by the CPU process in the memory and the input output devices. So paging. So the paging is the main. It is the advantages of the store the some pieces broken into the pieces, that is called paging. Already we discussed it. Just to see the briefly, and the solve the fragmentation problems, internal and external. The fragmentation is the two types of problems are there. That is the internal problem and the external problem. So use the fixed size units in the both physical and the virtual memory. So provide the sufficient MMU main memory unit and the hardware to allow and the units to be uh, scattered across and the memory. So page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3. So these are the number of pages. This is the divided into the page 1, page 2. This is the small location of the memory, the information stored in the number of pages. It is the divided by the central processing unit. So actually first we purchased the the computer. We partition the hard disk, because of 1 terabyte hard disk is there. We divided into the partitions 200 GB hard disk. It is the advantages of the user. The C drive is store the operating system, and another drives, DEF drives are 200 drives are used by the user. You store the some information and softwares and the games, movies, and the like that, different types of activities saved in that one. So this is the logical address spaces virtual memory. So page 01 and the page 1, page 2, page 3, and page number of x, and the MMU memory unit. This is the logical address space. This is the virtual memory, and the logical address uh, space are the same. It is the same. It is a memory unit. It change the physical address. Here here we call the, and the page 01, page 2. Here it was automatically changed the frame 0, frame 1, and the frame 2, frame y. So here pages, and the it is the fixed into the in the frame. The frame is adjusted by the same spaces, that is called CPU is the into the two parts. So the number of pages, it was the changed adjusted by the this central processing unit, and the make it possible to the leave the user parts and the virtual addresses space out of physical memory. This is called paging, and the paging in this the diagram is there. So we divide into the paging, small pieces are there, and the frames are, it is the pages transfer into the memory unit, main memory unit. It is adjusted by the frame 0 and the frame 1. Number of frames are adjusted by the memory storage area. And the process is the continuous and the virtual address space. The memory manager divides the virtual addresses and the space into the equal sizes and the pieces called pages. So memory manager is divided the physical addresses space into the equal sizes and the pieces called frames, and the frame size usually a power of 2 between and the 512 and the 8192 bytes, and the frame table one entity for the frame of the physical memory state and the free allocated process. So size of page and the size of a frame. The paging addresses and the translation. The translating virtual addresses. So the addresses translation means the computer cannot understand the language. We convert, and address translation is the most important. The translation virtual addresses. The virtual addresses has two parts: virtual page number and the offset. The virtual page number, it is the index and the page table. So and the page table entity, the contains the page frame number and the PFN, and the physical address is the start of PFN offset. Here the page table and the supported by MMU hardware and the managed by the memory manager, and the MAP virtual page numbers to the page is the frame numbers, and the one page table entity, and the per each page is the virtual address space, that is the 1 PTE VPN. So this is the address and the translation. Both sides are there. The translation virtual address and the page table. The page table is the number of pages we can store the adjusted by the frame. The frames stored by the one area, that is called, the area is called the page table, supported by the it is the main memory unit hardware, and the managed by the memory manager, and the map virtual page, and the number of 2, the page frame, the number of, it is adjusted by the page tables. And paging translation, here logical address and the physical address. The logical address is the virtual page. This is the virtual page. It was divided into two types: virtual page and offset. So the logical address is the virtual page. The page table in the frames are available in the page table. The number of pieces of pages, it is called frame. The frames, all frames are called, it adjusted in the page table. So the physical address, it is a page table, and the PFN and the offset. So here the and the physical memory, page frame 0 and the page frame 1, page frame 2, and the page frame 3. Here the page frame y. So physical, this is called physical memory. The paging translation to the so logical address to physical address and the physical memory. So first the divided pieces are the page. So the memory location area page, it was adjusted in the page table, and the total pages are adjusted, the page total page tables adjusted in the page frames, and the data will be transferred into the physical memory is this is the page and the frame 0, page frame 0 1, and the page frame 2. So this is the number of pages, and this is called totally physical memory. So page translation, we take the one example and assume a 32 bit. So what is the bit? One bit is called 0 or 1. One byte is equal to 8 bits. Here we take the 32 bit address space. So assume page size is the 4 KB, 4 kilobytes, and log to 4096 is equal to 12 bits. So for the process to be address the full logical addresses space. So the translation virtual address is 0 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Offset is 0 into 6 7 8. The assume the PT is the 1 2 3 4 5, and the contains 0 into 0 1 0 0, and the physical addresses is the 0 into 1 0 1 and 0 0 6 7 8. This is the page translation examples. And the PTA structure. So how is the PTA structure? The valid gives to the state of PTE, and the says the whether not in the virtual addresses valid in the memory, and the range it is not set of might, not set of might, and the reference bit in the says whether is the page has been associated accessed, and it is the set by the hardware when the page has been, and the read the write, and the modify bit it the says whether or not is the page is directly the protection bits, and the control with the protection with bit control switch, and the operations to allow the read write. So and the pages are the we can some uh, the user can it is the use for the system, just like we take the one MS Word, the documentation is the creation by okay, 10 number of 10 pages. The 10 pages are stored in the central processing unit. It is the adjusted by the page. So the 10 pages and the we the information type the 100 pages, it was divided by the 10 pages, and the next 10 pages divided into the 100 pages. The pieces are there 10 pieces. So the 10 pieces are one page, and the 10 pages are second one page. The total pages are adjusted in the frame. The total frames are adjusted in the uh, table. So that is called table. So the set of the protection is the control which the operations are allowed. So read write. So who read write? The user can write and read the information in the system. So and the page frame, the number of PFN, and that determines the physical page, and the physical page start the addresses. The other bits dependent upon the machine architecture. And the paging advantages: easy to allocate physical memory, so pick any free frame, and the no external fragmentations, all frames are equal. Here the advantages of paging: so easy to allocate physical memory, so we enter the information, the entire information will be automatically adjusted by the very easily. Pick any free time, so automatically it's the received by the data, and the no external fragmentation, all frames are equal. So here no difference, and all are same, and it is the received data and information equal, and easy to swap out the pages called by the page out. Swap means it is the interchange the size of the usually the multiple of the disk blocks, and the PTE contains into in that helps to reduce the disk traffic. So the PT is the number of pages are there. The pages is the that is disturbed by the each and every time. So it is the PT is the content. It is the help to the reduce the disk traffic. The disk traffic means the information. It is the reduced the traffic. So that means the process can be run with not all pages swapped in. And the definition page fault: a trap when a process attempts to reference a virtual addresses of the page not in, and the physical memory valid bit in the PT is the set to false it if a page and exists on disk, and the suspended process, and if the necessary throw out of some of the other pages, and updated the PT swap the desired page and the resume the execution. The definition of the page fault, if the page does not exist on the disk and the return the program error. So actually the program is the set of instructions. We enter the program and the errors are uh, just we take the C program, it is the compile the program and we get the some errors and we rectify the program errors and the compile again the total the compilation of the errors are 0 and next the run the program. So that is the process of the program execution. So the false the errors are executed every time it is a return the program and conjure up a new page and reduce some of the execution of. Here we take some examples for growing the stack. So growing the stack. So what is the growing the stack? So it is the that in this stacks. So buy and sell the both are available. So in this the buy time the chart we observe the chart, it is the increased the green color the candles are there. So the candles increased and next one the red candles are there. So in this green candle and the wick is available, so that is the increased, so that is the taken by the space. So this is the page does not exist on this and return the program errors or and this this is a not and the software adjusted by the stacks. So and it is a down false and the up false, growing stack and the downing the stack. So both sides are available. So the down is the red candles are show, that is the space of the errors are update on the system. And the paging observation. So what is paging observation? Here the recurring them in these pages and the temporal locality and the locations referred to recently tend to be and referenced again soon and the spatial locality in the location near recent and the reference tend to be the referred to soon. And the definitions, working set and the set of and the pages that a progress and the need to run and the without and the frequent page fault. So thrashing the execute the page faulting and the due to the insufficient frames they support the working set. So these are the advantages of paging observation. So and the next one, paging issues. What is the issues? Here minor issues and the some of the problem rectified, that is called minor issues. The internal fragmentation, memory allocation in the units of the pages, also file allocation. Here one, the page tables can be and consume the large amount of the space if the pt is the 4 bytes and the use 4 kb pages and have 32-bit va and the space and the 4 mb for each the process pages table. And the what happens for the 64-bit logical addresses spaces. And the number 2, the performance impact the converting the virtual to physical addresses and the requires and the multiple operations to access memory and the read page and the table entity from the memory, get the page frame the number of the construction physical addresses and the associated in the protection of the valid checks. So without fast hardware and this support the requires of the multiple memory access and the lot of work per logical addresses. This is the paging issues. And the issue of the some of the problem we rectified in the page table size. So here the process in the virtual addresses space not usually full. So it is the some take the empty of the some pages and the don't need by the every pt and the processor do not exhibit and the locality and the only need by the subset of this pts. So this is the just like issue of the page table and the two level page tables. So automatically it is adjusted the one page one by one page in the page frame, the frames are adjusted by the page table. So the two level of pages tables and the virtual addresses have the three parts. What are they? The master page number and the secondary page number and the points of the PTA containing of the page frame offset, and the physical address is the offset plus the start of VPN. So here note the master page number can be issued and can be used a segment the previous topic. So n level and the page tables are possible but rare in the 32-bit system. Here we see the two level page tables. What is a two level? Is the virtual address and the master page and the secondary page offset. Here and the master page table and the secondary page table. So see the two level pages. So virtual page here the master page and the secondary page. This is the master is the first page and this is the secondary is the second page. Here see the secondary page in the adjusted by the secondary page table. So it is the physical address. This is the frame 1. These two tables are these and the page table 1 and 2 master and secondary tables are adjusted in the page frame offset and the physical memory the page frame 0, 2 and 3. So the page frame Y. So this is the number of pages. This is the two level page table diagram and the multi-level page tables. So first of all we discussed the first single page and the two level pages. Here multi-level page tables means the number of pages. So more than two pages, that is called the multi-level pages here, and the virtual address space and the very few secondary PTs and the every needed. The process locality only few secondary and the PTs needed by at the one time can be page out and the secondary PTs are the not needed by the now the don't page is the master page table. So save the physical memory. However, here we see the performance is the rows and the now have the three memory access for the virtual memory and the references are the instructions fetch and the how do we get the back to about one memory access for the VA and the reference problems 0 to previous sites. So paging issues. Some of the we get the paging issues is the problems, the performance importance impact. So read page and the table entries from memory and the get page frame numbers and the construct the physical addresses and the accessed by the protection and the valid checks and without fast in the hardware. So this page already discussed and the associative memory here dynamic address translation. So one empty page is there in this page the dynamic address translation and the do fast and the hardware search of the all entries is the parallel for the VPN. So if the parent use the PFN and the directly if not so look up in the page table and the multiple access and the load VPN and the VPN into the associative memory and the throwing out of another entity as the needed. The translation look side so buffer so associated memory implementation of in the hardware the translative VPN and the TLB is the hardware asset and the locality of the makes in the TLBs. So work this is the translation of the look side buffer. So main memory unit with the TLB. In this diagram, CPU central processing unit here logical address and the page number frame number here the number of pages are there. This is called page number and the frame number. So TLB. So the TLB hit that is the that is the page is the table. So it is the transfer into the page table and it is the physical address. The physical memory is there. And the typical mechanism architecture here see the typical machine architecture central processing unit and MMU and the TLB live here. So this is just like MMU main memory unit is just like bridge between the user and the central processing unit. The memory and the bridge this is the graphics. So graphics means we design some information and graphical we see the names of the top to bottom left to right and some images are up and down it is adjusted by that is the graphics designs and the memory this is the central processing unit and the bridge is there in this bridge. So it is centralized by the bridge and the input output devices. So the user used by the input output devices and the central processing unit. The user and the central processing unit, it is the middle, the bridge main, it is the main memory unit. So the memory unit, each and every one, the user can enter data. The data will be stored in the central processing unit. It is the main memory is adjusted by the pages and the page table and the page frames, each and every one. So that is the advantage of the page. So memory bridge. So graphics is the also it is adjusted by the pages, number of pages and the frames and the tables. So the data will be the information. The graphics means just like we take the one games. The games also, it is graphically designed by the game. The graphical designed games also, it is take the some memory in the memory. So that is called main memory unit and the TLB live here. So this is the bridge in between. A memory is a bridge, just like main memory unit is the most important and adjusted by the pages, the number of pages and pages information also. So without this bridge of main memory, the data will be, we cannot store the anywhere. So the central processing unit is used to store the some information in the bridge, that is called main memory. So already we know what is the graphics. So in these movies we see the some graphics are there, the in the songs background and the names backgrounding used by the sound system. So different types of activities, so that is called graphics. So this type of memory pages available in this bridge and main memory. So it is the interface between the central processing unit and the user can use the input output devices to adjusted by the memory storage. So used by the just like graphics here, and the memory means database storage is the memory. So this topic is uh, uh, this is called paging and adjusted the paging. Okay, this topic is taken by final year MPCS 5th semester. Thank you, students.